A strong magnitude 4.9 earthquake occurred in the North Pacific Ocean 257 kilometers, 160 miles from Japan in the late afternoon of Wednesday, June 25, 2025 at 6:08 p.m. local time, GMT+9. The quake had a very shallow depth of 6.5 kilometers, 4 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, GFZ after 13 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.